Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys my favorite slimes, and these are my own original slimes that I made, and I also named them, like they have different names. Like this one is Fluffy Cotton Candy, this one is Strawberry Milk Foam. But yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more because I will be doing a video of my slime collection. So yeah, see you guys later. So the first slime I have is Strawberry Milk Foam, which I showed you guys, and it's a very nice milky pink color. And it's super sticky. Here, I'll show you guys. It's really sticky, but yeah, I'm gonna take it out and just play with it a little bit. Make sure your surface is clean, and then I'll show you guys the slime. So here it is. It's really like sticky. Sorry for the stuffing noise, it's just that I've been I have a lot of allergies lately. So yeah, there is the strawberry milk foam. So let's go on to the next one. The next one is called Fluffy Cloud. So yeah, this is the color, and this one's really like soft, like it doesn't make the little clinking noise. So now let's take it out, and I'm going to play with it, so I'll show you guys. So here it is, and as you can see it doesn't make the popping noise as loud as the other ones do, but it's very like soft, and I really love this slime because it's just like soft and not sticky. But yeah, it's a nice baby blue color, you just can't tell on camera. There's that slime. It's very soft and fluffy. And that's why it's called Fluffy Cloud, because of its color. It's like a nice baby blue color. So that is that slime. The next one I have is called Fluffy Cotton Candy, and it's very like soft, and it's like this purpley cotton candy-ish color. It's kind of like the Fluffy Cloud, this one. It's kind of like this one that I just showed you guys, the baby blue one. It's kind of like that one, but it's more like a lilac-y color. It was like the color of cotton candy with like a bluish and a pinkish, but my sister was playing with it and she mixed it, so yeah. But here it is. Now I'm going to take it out to play with it. So here it is. You can't tell it on camera at all. It looks exactly like the Fluffy Cloud, but it is purple. I don't know why you can't tell on camera. But yeah. It does make that clinking noise a bit. Sorry for any background noise. My parents and my little sisters are in the backyard, and my older brother. They're taking down the pool, but yeah, that's that one. The next one is called Dazzling Red, and this is also my last slime. And it has like little, you know those little beads that some slimes have? Yeah, that's what this has. And it feels really odd because these little beads are miniature. They're like those little styrofoam beads. But yeah, let's take it out and play with it. You guys probably can't tell, but it does have sparkles. Yeah, so you probably can't tell, but it has sparkles in it. I would just really wish my camera would focus. But it has sparkles and little styrofoam beads, as I told you guys. It doesn't make the clanking noise because it does have the styrofoam beads. But it's very, like, just unique. Just because it's, like, very cool and, like, sparkly. And it, like, looks purple. And, because it is purple. But the reason is because I put shaving cream in it, and my shaving cream is blue, and I also put red sparkles. So, like, it mixed in, and, like, the glitter left some residue, and then it made it stain the color. Like, it made it red, and then since I put the shaving gel, it was blue, so then they mixed in, and it made, like, this kind of purplish color. You can't tell, but it is kind of purplish. Not as purple as my cotton candy one, but it's a little bit. And this one's super fun to play with, just because it's like a styrofoam color, I guess. I mean, not styrofoam, because like it has styrofoam beads, and it just feels really, really cool. Ouch, my bone popped. And these teeny tiny beads are super fun to like play with, just because they're like, I don't know, they feel weird. But yeah. So that's that one. So those are my favorite slimes, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more, as I will be doing squishies, slimes, singing, and just a bunch of other stuff like gymnastics too. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel for more. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!